Hey everyone, welcome to Wella. Today I'll show how to get and set up Microsoft Office. Microsoft, that is. Open Start, go to Microsoft Store and find Microsoft 365. This is the main app. Here it is. Click Open and you'll see a free trial option. It works, but only online in a browser. So, for offline use, click Buy Microsoft 365 to download and use apps without internet. There's a monthly plan. That's the gist. Once you buy, it'll start installing right away. It includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and more. Hit Buy Now to start the download. That's all, folks. This was Wella. See you later.